Hey, good evening, folks. We're going to put together some real Cantonese chicken with asparagus. Now, the ingredients are simple. I have some organic chicken tenders, about 1.5 pounds, some cornstarch here, some asparagus, some fresh garlic, salt, Chinese cooking wine, and white pepper. You do not see any soy sauce, oyster sauce, or anything like that. If you are a traditionalist and go to China and eat this dish in China, they are not going to have a soy sauce based gravy to go with this chicken and asparagus recipe. This is exactly how they actually make it in China. So Cantonese cooking, you want to add the soy sauce and the oyster sauce, do so, but this is the traditionalist way of doing this dish. So let's get started without any further ado. With 1.5 pounds of organic chicken tenders, chopped up. Oh yeah, this is what you want to use. Chicken breasts, organic if you can get it. Regular style will do. And to this, I'm going to take a little Clorox wipe and clean my hands up. And we're going to add to our velvet chicken. This is what makes this tender chicken so good. First step in the process, of course, is to put in an egg white. To that, we're going to put in about 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. And to that, 4 ounces of Chinese cooking wine. Don't worry about the kiddies. Alcohol will cook off, but it will turn this into what we call velvet chicken. And with this spice seasoning, a little bit of white pepper, add a little flavor to it, and then of course I got about 5 cloves of garlic that I'm going to add to this. And I'm going to bring this up to room temperature. Nothing worse than taking cold chicken and putting it into hot oil. It'll make that chicken tougher than I don't know what. But this is the way I do it. Just let it sit there for about 45 minutes. Let it marinate up, and then you'll be ready to fry this velvet chicken off, and it'll taste like any Chinese carry-out that you've ever been to. Now, we've got some boiling water. We're going to throw our asparagus in here. We thoroughly cut it up and washed it up. Ready to go. Want to make sure this stuff's cooked al dente. When you get it cooked off, we'll spider it off and put it into a bowl. I like to throw this over some cold water to make sure that the cooking process is done. If the asparagus is overcooked, it'll be stringy and just really wouldn't make this Cantonese chicken and asparagus recipe right. So once you got this asparagus cooked off again, like I said, we're going to go then and take a 1/4 cup of peanut oil and throw our velvet chicken right into a wok. At this point, it's come up to full heat, baby. It's going, and we're going to come in here and we're going to start stir frying. We're going to cook this chicken off. Don't want to overcook it. Don't want to undercook it. It's got to be perfect. And as we go, just keep flipping it around. Now, the key to this is we're not using any soy sauce, but we are using a slurry of cornstarch, water, and a little bit of ginger. This is going to make our gravy. So I'm going to drain some of this oil off because there's way too much oil in there for me. Give it a flip around the block. I'll take it off camera. Take some of that oil off, and we'll get this recipe all finished off. Next step is our blanched asparagus. Flip it around with that velvet chicken. Oh man, this is looking good. It smells delicious. Everything you could have dreamed of in a Cantonese dish. Now, I'm going to add some salt, about 1.5 tablespoons, and then take our slurry of cornstarch, water, and ginger, and that'll make our gravy. Stir that around for a minute, and I'll tell you what, You got heaven on earth here, my friends. Give this one a try. You'll never go wrong. All finished up. Take this over to the serving plate. I've got some white rice, and we'll ladle up some of this delicious Cantonese asparagus and chicken right onto this little side of rice, and then we'll take it over and I'll give you my review. Alright folks, this is exciting. Look at this gorgeous dish of this organic chicken and asparagus cooked in the original Cantonese style with a white sauce. Man, that velvet chicken. Asparagus cooked properly. The combination with the white sauce, absolutely delicious. Give this one a try, folks. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. Thanks for stopping by. And as always, a bonus.